we're gonna make something fun. Sponge cakes. Now it's egg time. Whoop, whoop. My eggs are ready. Here you go, Olivia.
Thanks. Now it's mixing time. This is what your eggs have to look like. Now I'm going to go give it to Anthony so he can put sugar. While Anthony's doing that, I'm going to do the wet ingredients. Now a little oil. Wouldn't think, but it takes vinegar also.
This is how we want our eggs. Now we're gonna pour Olivia's mixture on low. We're gonna do it little by little. Now we're gonna turn it on low and pour in the flour. Pour the flour little by little. Now let's fold it. Now let's put it onto the pan. Take your spatula and spread it into every corner. Now we're gonna pop it in the oven.
Here's my whipped cream. And now I'll put the powdered sugar. And now we wait. This whipped cream looks delicious.
Now that it came out, we're gonna have my mom flip it over on a tea towel because this next step is pretty hot. This part's super important. You're gonna need to sprinkle powdered sugar so the bread won't stick. The secret is to roll it while it's hot in a towel so it won't crack or break. Now leave it till it's cool. Now time to unroll it and put the jam. After this is whipped cream time.
Woo!
Carefully start rolling it.
Sprinkle powdered sugar on top.
If you don't know how to make whipped cream, just check out our other video.
What do you think, guys?
That looks delicious.
Delicious!
Like and subscribe.